Get ready to bring a squirmy, adorable worm to life in Adobe Animate. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new file. Ensure your settings are right. I suggest setting the frame rate to 24 frames per second to keep things smooth. Now, we are ready to start drawing our worm. Select the oval tool and draw a long oblong shape for the body's first segment. Now, with the selection tool, select this shape, then go to Modify and Convert to Symbol and convert the shape into a graphic symbol. This is important for when we start animating. Double-click onto the graphic symbol. Now, let's draw the next segment using the oval tool. Make this a slightly different shape and size. Then first place this at the end of the first segment, overlapping it ever so slightly. Convert this shape into another graphic symbol. To connect the segments, return to the main scene by clicking the Scene 1 button. Then, on the timeline, right-click on the first frame, select Create Classic Tween in the final frame, 1 second or 24 frames depending on your preference. Insert a keyframe. Now, on that last keyframe, move the segments, creating that movement, a new segment using the same steps. Repeat the process to add more segments and build your worm puppet. And there you have it, a wiggling worm animation. Feel free to add eyes, a smile, and your creative touches to add personality to your little friend. Consider experimenting with different frame rates and timings to perfect your worm's movement. Don't forget to practice makes perfect.